My God, my God, my God.
They just want you to go.
Yeah, yeah.
They want you to run. Right? They just want you to run.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, shut up.
And they start getting an attitude because you won't run. Well, it must be something. Every time you ready to go, you just go. You ain't got no weight on you.
No.
Anytime you want to pick up and be disrespectful and drop every single bit of your responsibility in your house, you can do that because you ain't got no weight on you. Now you looking at me and thinking I'm slow because I won't run with you. Woo! And if you're not strong enough, you'll take that as something being wrong with you.
Right.
You start questioning yourself. Why can't I get up and go? I just can't seem to go like them. And you tried for a season. Can I tell you what it is? The spirit of exhaustion comes into the kingdom of God on the back of a lie to dictate to you that you're not strong enough when actually they're running after nothing.
That's it.
And if you begin to follow them, you find you're going in circles.
Right.
I'm gonna tell you how it comes. Okay? I'm gonna tell you how it comes. What begins to happen is that in a relationship, let's use a relationship. Everybody can get with a relationship. They say you're supposed to forgive me. 70 times 7. You're supposed to forgive me. You're supposed to be okay with what I did because you're a Christian.
Come on now.
And I'm going to paint this picture because it's not just in relationships, but this is something we can all relate to. And when I say it, you better catch the revelation because it's wherever it is in your life, it's being exposed right now, right here. This is what happens. So you're supposed to forgive me. And if you don't forgive me, then I'm going to question if you're really saved. That's a problem. Okay? So, you finally forgive them, and they do the same thing, as Bishop was using that analogy. If they keep coming back on the same thing, they do it again. Okay? I'm talking to you. Do it again. You're supposed to be a Christian.
70 times 7.
You're supposed to forgive me.
70 times 7.
And then your relationship with God and your integrity is then in question. And for the sake of your reputation, I forgive you. Because I don't want to go to hell just because I wouldn't forgive you. Then they come back and do it again. But you know what? You're not a fool for forgiving. I'm going to tell you what the tactic of the enemy comes in. Why would they continually and habitually do something that hurts you and say you are obligated to forgive me?
Wow.
Why? Because they are going in cycles. That's the cycle. It exhausts you.
Ooh.
And you begin to get tired. Here you are trying to run in a position like this and run after somebody who habitually keeps nicking you in the leg, and your meat is beginning to bleed more and more, and you have to lead and you have to bend. You have to lead and you have to bend. You have to get on your face and you have to bend. And they keep coming after you because if they can knock you down, then you won't be able to carry the weight. I'm already weighted down and I'm already tired. And then you begin to play these childhood games and taking me in cycles. The spirit of exhaustion